Hello everyone, my name is Tushar and I had joined Sammy's private label machines course in August this year, and from the beginning on and before that I was not able to make a good quality listing and was not able to make any sales. But after joining his course I was able to understand how to launch a product properly, how to launch campaigns, ad campaigns, PPC for my products, and how to manage all the shipments, how to send products to FBA. So in his course, he has mentioned all the things, right from registering for the GST, to how to ship your products to FBA, how to create good looking images for your listing, how to create good, how to optimize your ad campaigns to get better sales, and how to get reviews, and a lot of things are covered in modules of the course that are in the private labels machine course. And he has also even helped us in a video to how to file returns, our GST returns. So that is also that is also a cherry over the top. And he takes weekly sessions on the Sunday, where we can ask our doubts, and he help us to solve all our problems in that. And for that, and I myself have seen a lot increase in my sales. I was not able to make consistent sales, but due to Sammy's course and his teachings, I am able to make a lot of great sales. And for that I would like to thank Sammy and his private label machines course.